All right, so what's up, guys? Not much. All right, so as you guys can see from the title of this video, we are going to be working on this piece of crap because this is kind of what you get when you pay a little bit of money for a lot of stuff. I mean, this came with the K-Tune rail, K-Tune throttle body, RBC. It was only $100. So obviously the RBC was not in the best condition. And since the engine is already cleaned up, we've cleaned everything up. We're trying to do a clean, nice build. We've got to do something with this because as you can see here, like, this thing's kind of beat up. And two, like, I don't know what happened here. Like, you attempted to grind this off, but you didn't cut this one off. And then what happened over here? Like, can you guys see in here for that? Like, it looks like we kind of just cut it, and then we got halfway through and we are just like, you know, F it, and just broke it off. So yeah, not sure what happened here. And even in the throttle, like, they left this one here, they left that, they cut the others off. Don't know. Even on the throttle body, I don't know if you can see in here too good. Is the light? Yeah, you can see in here. The port job in here. I can put this up somewhere. Yeah, you can see like the port job. I mean, you can still see the rim around the outside. So we got to open that up a little bit more. I mean, that's just free horsepower we're throwing on the table. So hopefully what we'll do is we'll go ahead and open up that a little bit more, because obviously they opened it up some, but you can clearly still see a fat line going all the way around. So we'll probably go ahead and open that up some too, so shave this thing down a little bit. So, all right, let's go ahead and get to work cutting these off, cleaning this up, because this thing is a mess. All right, and two, another thing, I don't know if you guys know this right here, but this bolt right here normally always gets stripped out. Not like once in a while, no, always gets stripped out. So what you need to do is just come in and cut a little slit in here with a Dremel. And then you can only just take it out with the flathead screwdriver too. If you're cutting this off or cutting that off, you can cut that off too. So we'll keep rolling. And so shaved it down a little bit. Got rid of that one, a hole over here. Even got the one over here too. So everything's pretty smooth now. Looks a lot better. I did notice the throttle body has a map sensor. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this off and then probably weld that up, because as you can see, that goes down in there where we at. Yeah, so we'll probably have to just I mean, we got the welder, we can just tack weld that up real quick and get that out, sand it smooth. So that might be next. Haven't cut that off yet because I haven't sure I'm going to relocate it yet, but yeah, let's just sand it down. Let's just keep rolling on the RBC project. All right, so yeah, it's been about a couple weeks. Yeah, slacking, I know. But in the meantime, I did smooth this down, took that one down, and I think there was one there, took that down, smoothed that out, cut this other one off, filled this up. We just welded that up real quick, and even cut out the inside. I know I still gotta clean that up, but the thing is, it is perfectly opened up to the right size now. Let's see, other than that, yeah, painted this a little bit. I'm gonna sand it up, probably just paint this thing real quick, sand it down, get it nice and smooth looking. And two, a lot of you guys are probably wondering why I left this one and didn't cut this one off. Actually, because I got some delete plates for the throttle body, just to clean it up some. But the thing is, there's two map sensors. I mean, I guess I could have used this one or I could have used this one. Realistically, I tell a lot of people, use this one right here because it's a better source for vacuum. It goes directly down into the manifold here. You can see that in there. It's a pretty good size hole, where like this one right here, if you look in here, technically it has to get the vacuum all the way over here through this little hole. So I mean, yeah, it's vacuum, it still works, but realistically it just doesn't work as good. So all right, guys, let's go ahead and toss some paint on this, get some sand down. I don't know, hopefully these edges come out. Maybe they will with a good layer of primer. I don't know. Oh, also drill some holes in the bottom of this thing for some vacuum ports. Just drilled and tapped those, nothing special, but yeah, other than that, oh, and I actually took this off too, so there's a little notch there. I think it's pretty good from the top. I think I kind of got it how I like it. So yeah, let's go ahead and throw some primer on and keep it rolling. All right, so just went on ahead and painted this whole thing. Was gonna stop and show you guys the primer and how I like kind of filled in the spots and everything, but I was just like, they probably don't care. They just want to see the end result, how it comes out. So I had some leftover paint. This is like a Cadillac metallic black or something, metallic gray black or something like that. I don't know. It was left over. You can see kind of like the sparkles in it. I don't know. It's got like blue and green kind of color in it. I don't know. It was left over. Who cares? But turned out okay. Yeah. So shaving everything down, cleaned it up. Oh, even got the vacuum ports installed on the bottom. Just drilled and tapped those. Added thread tape. Hopefully they don't leak. If they do, maybe we'll weld them in or something like that. But that's it. Put that on there. And yeah, so we're probably just gonna end it here at this video. Oh, even I finished porting it up, cleaned on the inside and everything. That came out good. But yeah, that's it, guys. This is pretty much a prepped RBC, and don't even know what we're doing next video, but we'll see. Later.